question from somebody coming in who is looking for an alternative to retinol because they're pregnant.
Yeah, so firstly, congratulations.
Yes.
It's an exciting time, but a lot happens within your skin, and retinol is one of those ingredients that we say is a no-go for that period of time. So I'm always about championing Irish, and I'm always about championing Irish that actually is efficacious and has heart and soul behind it, and that's what this brand Nunaia is. So I've known Nicola for many years. She just so much science and everything that she creates, but this one in particular, to answer this exact question, has been 3 years in development attempting to find what's called a bioretinol. So it's essentially an ingredient that mimics the benefits of retinol but without the sensitivity that's often associated with retinol. We do love retinol, but when you're pregnant or if you've quite irritated skin, you can't use it. So this is an ingredient in it. Why can't you use it? Cause irritation.
Irritation, gotcha.
Yeah, and I suppose there's a whole conversation wider than that with retinol. But this particular product has selva-biome in it, which essentially is the bioretinol has phytoceramides. So feel that slip that you're putting on. Imagine that on your face. It's ideal. It's got antioxidants, got essential fatty acids in there. But ultimately, the texture, the tone, it really helps strengthen the barrier. So it's more than just a bioretinol. It really is extremely anti-aging, really hydrating, perfectly safe for pregnancy and for very irritated skin. And it's 80% organic too, which I think, again, going back to how the skincare sector is changing, is something to be aware of and responsible for.
Lovely.